Short CVC sentences. The cat is on a mat. A bat is in a hat. The man has a van. The rat is fat. A can is on a pan. A fan is in a van. A cap is on a lap. A bag is on a rag. A yak has a nap. A sad lad is mad. A jam jar is on a mat. A bat has a hat. A cat has a rat. A map is in a lap. A tan van is big. A cat can nap. A rat has a hat. A man taps a can. A pad is on a mat. A rag is on a bag. A cat sits on a mat. A bat naps at noon. The gas is in a can. A hat is on a cat. A mat is in a van. A rat sits on a mat. A bat is at a mat. A van is on a map. A cat has a mat. Enjoying this free educational content? Please remember to like and subscribe.